Hello, my name is Ali Khan, and I'm a sophomore at USF, majoring in business analytics and information systems. So today I'll be going through the Tableau Project 2, which is based on a company that sells furniture across the United States. So the first thing we have here is our data source. The data is categorized into department, sales, profit, and so on. So the first thing I did when I looked at the data, I analyzed if there's any outliers or mistakes, uh, such as negative numbers, to make sure that my visualizations will be correct. So I've created four visualizations for the project. The first is called sales by state. As you can see here, we have all the states on the left. And when we look at the data, we can see each item's sales and profit. So the longer this line is, the more sales and profit the item makes. We can adjust the region and states by clicking these check marks to see specifically which region makes the most and the least profit. We can also click on the items to see its sales and profit in every state. Second visual is a tree map. It's called sales and profit by item. So as you can see, the bigger the area of the triangle, the more profit and sales the item makes. We can adjust the profit by dragging this to see the most profitable and unprofitable items that the company sells. We can also see specific products by clicking these check marks. So it's very useful to analyze the products and the business performance of the company. So the third visual is profit by state map. It's a map of the United States where the company operates. As you can see here, we have the company's profits on every state. So the darker the state is, the more profit the company makes in that state. For example, California, Texas, and New York. We can adjust the state by clicking these check marks to include or exclude any states we want. Also, uh, here we have our profit or average minimum profit. The fourth visual is item sales by department trend lines. These trend lines show monthly sales by department, so we can identify any patterns and analyze our sales by month to make any changes in business operations such as marketing. And yeah, it's very useful. The dashboard is interactive. As you can see here, if we click on the items here, it shows the items profit across the United States. Also, we can choose sales to compare uh, every state's sales and profit. We can also drag this profit to see which companies make the most and the least profit item. The story summarizes all the visuals and the dashboard I've created so far. I've created text boxes that explain the usefulness of every visual I've created. And yeah, I learned a lot about Tableau when I was doing this project, such as I learned to create the trend lines, tree maps, and overall analyze the company's profits and sales, which would be very useful in my future career in business analytics. Thank you and goodbye.